drinks down in the club. I always keep that shit on top. My piece looks like a disco ball. I dance like I don't give a fuck. I flush my drinks down in the club. I always keep that shit on top. My piece looks like a disco ball.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to another episode Around the World with Bino. I'm your host, Bino, and today we are live in Bangkok, Thailand, and we have a dope episode. We are trying Mark Wien's restaurant, Ped Mark, Feed Mark. You know, my pronunciation with these things are horrible. My apologies, Mark, but we are here, and if you know Mark, Mark is a huge food blogger, travels the world, and pretty much shows content and shows us individuals that haven't been to that part of the world or who would love to see what it's like, insight on things that you could eat, or even just travel ideas, which is super phenomenal. Now, I am excited, hungry, and we are going super spicy today at Mark Wien's restaurant. I hope you're hungry. I'm hungry. Let's get some food. Woo! All right, so without further ado, let's go inside. I go for the Wagyu. Hi, can I get the Wagyu one? I'll try the a drink. I'll take a water. Yeah. All right, so we just ordered and I went for the Wagyu. I am excited. A little worried, because I've seen things that Mark has eaten in the past, and he's the type of guy that gets really spicy with things. So, hopefully, not too bad. Well, I mean, we'll work it out. I ain't worried about it, man. Big Bino, baby, I got it. We got it. Don't you forget that, all right? It's me and you to the end. Once they give us a holler, we'll be right in here. Break that up. Let's try this first. Scoop out. That's definitely spicy. Whoa. That is definitely spicy.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. That first bite hits you, man. Yeah, it's like, it's no joke. It's really good, though. It definitely is spicy, though. 100%, yeah. I should have spoke to you guys before I was here.
The egg will save your life though.
The egg is phenomenal.
Yes.
Let me get some water. Now, it's definitely spicy. There's no way around that. I've had like hot sauce in the world, hottest soup. This is definitely up there. But it is crazy with the flavor, man. Right. This fried egg, the rice, the basil, man. It's good. Wow. Almost line me up right there. Not too bad though. And it's phenomenal. It's super hot. So, you got white rice, basil. The more I eat, the more I just sit down and just contemplate everything I was just thinking before I came in here to eat this. It's dope they gave me a pineapple juice. I don't know if they was trying to say I might not be able to take the cup, but I'm not even going to open that. It definitely hits a home with the Thai culture. The spices, I can't even describe it. It's so hot, I can't even describe it. You know what, I'm going to just crack this. Probably need some milk or something. Good flavor, good food. Trying to express everything and it's just in my thoughts. It's just like how.
And you can't stop. Once you stop, it's like started to hurt
Yeah, you feel
everywhere.
it. You feel it. It's like just keep eating. Like. Mark, I'm tapping out, my brother. I'm tapping out, Mark. I'm good. I'm finished. Great food, though. It was great. It was awesome. 5. Somebody came in and gave me the thumbs up for trying number 5. Oh, man. Give them a thumbs down. It's real. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Shout out to Mark. The food was phenomenal. Next time I'll probably get like a 4 or something. 5 is like. I'm double Bino. I'm double Bino, and I hope you guys appreciate this one. I gotta get some milk.